Hey everyone! Welcome to our quick look at the longest night of the year. We're talking about December 21st, the first day of winter, a day celebrated worldwide for thousands of years. What makes this night special? It's all because of something called the Winter Solstice. We'll learn about the science behind it, explore old traditions, and even uncover some cool myths. So grab your coziest blanket, a mug of hot chocolate, and let's discover the secrets of the Winter Solstice. The Winter Solstice is the official start of winter in the Northern Hemisphere. It marks the shortest day and the longest night of the year. This event has been celebrated for centuries in various cultures around the world. It happens when Earth's North Pole is tilted farthest from the Sun. This tilt is about 23.5 degrees, causing the Sun to appear at its lowest point in the sky at noon. This tilt doesn't mean Earth is further away from the Sun, just that the Northern Hemisphere gets sunlight at a slanted angle. As a result, the Sun's rays are spread out over a larger area, making it feel colder. Imagine shining a flashlight straight down on a table. The light makes a bright circle. This is similar to how the Sun's rays hit the Earth during the summer solstice. Now tilt the flashlight. The circle gets bigger and dimmer. This represents how the Sun's rays hit the Earth during the winter solstice, spreading out and providing less warmth. That's what happens to the Northern Hemisphere during the winter solstice. The Sun stays low in the sky, casting long shadows and creating shorter days. This phenomenon has a significant impact on weather, wildlife, and human activities. Because the Earth is tilted, the amount of sunlight different places get changes throughout the year. On the winter solstice, the Northern Hemisphere gets the least direct sunlight, making it the shortest day and longest night of the year. Less sunlight means less daytime. That means more nighttime for us in the Northern Hemisphere. But don't worry, the days will get longer again after December 21st as we head towards spring. Celebrating the solstice around the world. People have celebrated the winter solstice for centuries all over the world. This special time marks the shortest day and the longest night of the year, a turning point that has been honored in various ways by different cultures. Ancient civilizations who knew a lot about the sun's movements celebrated this event with big rituals and festivals. They built monuments and held ceremonies to honor the return of longer days. One famous solstice celebration happens at Stonehenge. Every year, people gather at this ancient site to witness a spectacular event. This really old monument in England lines up perfectly with the sun on the winter solstice. The stones are arranged in such a way that they frame the rising sun. The rising sun appears in a special spot between the stones. This alignment is a breathtaking sight and a testament to the ancient builders' knowledge of astronomy. People believe ancient people used Stonehenge like a giant calendar, marking important dates like solstices. This incredible structure continues to fascinate and inspire people from all over the world, reminding us of our deep connection to the cosmos. Myths, legends, and modern celebrations. There are lots of myths and legends about the winter solstice. This time of year has always fascinated people, leading to a rich tapestry of stories and traditions passed down through generations. In Norse mythology, it's connected to Yule, a festival celebrating the sun god's return. The Norse people believed that the solstice marked the rebirth of the sun, a powerful symbol of hope and renewal during the darkest days of winter. Ancient Romans celebrated Saturnalia, a week-long party for Saturn, the god of agriculture. This festival was a time of feasting, gift-giving, and merrymaking, reflecting the joy and abundance that Saturn brought to the people. Today, we still celebrate the winter solstice. While the ways we celebrate may have changed, the essence remains the same. It's a time to come together and honor the cycles of nature. Many people get together with family and friends for meals, sharing food and warmth as a way to combat the cold and darkness outside. Light candles to show the return of light, symbolizing the sun's gradual return and the promise of longer days ahead, or just enjoy the long winter night. The stillness and quiet of a winter evening can be a time for reflection and peace. Whether you're looking at the stars, telling stories, or simply enjoying the company of loved ones, or having a yummy meal, the winter solstice is a reminder of the warmth and light that community and tradition bring into our lives. The winter solstice reminds us that even when it's dark, light always comes back. It's a powerful symbol of resilience and hope, showing us that after every long night, a new day will dawn.